In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add folder description on Google Drive. Adding a description to a folder is a great way to explain what lives inside, note deadlines or owners, and make it easier for collaborators to understand the context at a glance. We'll do this right from a web browser. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account for the drive you want to use. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel of Google services. Click Drive to open your Google Drive. Inside Drive, locate the folder you want to describe. If you have a lot of folders, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. When you see the folder, click the three vertical dots next to it. That's the More Actions menu. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over folder information. This reveals options related to that folder's info. Click Details. A panel appears on the right side showing the folder's details, like its owner, location, and activity. Scroll down until you see the Description section. Click inside the description box to start editing. Type a clear, helpful note about what this folder contains or how it should be used. Keep it concise but informative. For example, you might include the purpose, relevant dates, or a short list of what files belong here. Avoid adding private information you wouldn't want others with access to see. When you're done, press Enter to save. If the description doesn't save right away, click outside the box and you should see it commit. From now on, anyone who can access this folder can open the Details panel and read the description. Editing the description typically requires at least editor permission, so if you don't see the option to change it, you may need higher access from the folder owner. A few quick tips to make this even more useful. Use consistent phrasing across your team's folders so everything is easy to scan. Include keywords that teammates might search for later. If the description gets long, put the most important information first. You can update or remove the description at any time by returning to the Details panel and editing the same box. Changes sync across devices, so your collaborators will see the latest version right away. And that's it. You've added a folder description in Google Drive, making your workspace clearer and more collaborative.